In this video, you will discover how to search for a quote within the quotes list. There are three main search types: quote ID, quote number, and customer name. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the quotes section. Next, click on the search bar to initiate the search process. First, I'll demonstrate searching by quote ID, using both partial text and full text. Let's observe the results. Full text. Correct. Partial text. Correct again. Now I'll search by quote number. To obtain the quote number, please utilize the final segment of the quote URL. Let's paste it into the search bar. Correct. Finally, I'll search by the customer name associated with the quote. We can employ both partial text and full text for this method. Let's give it a try. Full text? Correct. Partial text? Correct as well. Congratulations! We've successfully executed quote searches using 3 distinct methods. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.